growing interest in calligraphy and book arts, this video will give you tips and guidance for your journey to visit places to expand your knowledge of the art of the written word. There are only a few museums in the world for the calligraphic tourist to visit. And fortunately, Europe has two well-known places near each other. Both museums are located in the Frankfurt, Germany area. Every calligrapher or student of calligraphy should plan a visit. They are situated in picturesque, historic areas near the city centers. The first stop on your tour should be the Klingspor Museum, and then on to the Gutenberg Museum. Both museums can be easily visited in one day. Calligraphers will also find the Gutenberg Museum interesting as they have a large selection of historic books and maps that predate the printing press. The Klingspor is located near the city center of Frankfurt in Offenbach, Germany, on the outskirts of that city. It's a short train ride from the Frankfurt main station, or Hauptbahnhof. Please see the links in the description for transit maps and additional information. A short 3-minute walk from the Marktplatz station and you'll arrive at the front door. The museum is in a beautiful building on a quiet street. The Klingspor is noted for its special exhibits. You should check the website prior to arriving, as space can be limited. Familiar names and artistic styles of calligraphers grace the walls and the shelves of the Klingspor. After you've finished with your tour, the next museum is not far away. From Offenbach, you'll take a regional train via the Hauptbahnhof to the other side of the Frankfurt area to Mainz. It's a short 40-minute train ride. En route, the train passes over the Main River, very near the confluence of the Main and Rhine rivers. You'll enjoy beautiful scenery crossing the river and entering the old part of Mainz. The Gutenberg Museum is located near the cathedral in the old city of Mainz. This city is the birthplace of Johannes Gutenberg. The museum pays tribute not only to him but also to the scribes, mapmakers, and calligraphers who predated his invention. One highlight of any trip to the Gutenberg Museum is the demonstration of the replica Gutenberg printing press.
Dann hat man das Ganze hier auf den Tisch geklappt.
Stay to the end and you might walk away with a souvenir page. Watching the museum personnel operate this machine, it's easy to see why this invention had such a big impact on our world. This invention put the printed page in the hand of the commoner and forever changed the world. Remember to plan ahead. These museums are a must for the calligraphic tourist. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel to see more programs.